how to add a wish list to the Shopify Dawn theme. To do this, we have to go up here to our search bar, and I'm just going to type in wish list. And from here, I'm going to go to search in the Shopify App Store. That will open a new tab for us, and it will take us here. So the app you want to look for is this one, Wishlist Plus. As you can see, it has a very good rating. So I'm just going to click on that one. And I've already installed this app, but for you it will show install if you don't have it. So you just click on that one and it will redirect you yet to another tab. And from here it will ask you to install. And once you're in this page here, you can just follow the steps to customize your wish list, and it will appear in your Shopify store. And something else I can show you is if we go back here, we can go to view demo store, and it will show us how it could look like for our own store. For example, if I go to catalog down here, in this case, it's the wish list is made to look like a little heart up here over each product. So if I click on that one, I can just add it to my wish list. And when we go here to this section, it will show up in our wish list. And that's how you add a wish list to the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.